Hello, welcome to Opvir Learning Platform, where you learn and also train. This platform will also let you acquire skills and knowledge. This video will guide training companies through the easy registration process. Open your web browser and navigate to the website using opvir.online. Click on the Register button. Enter your desired username. In the role field, select Company Admin. Type in your email address. You can ignore the company name at the moment and create a strong password. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the Confirm Password field. Click Register to complete the sign-up process. Now log in by entering the details you created. Type your username in the username field. Type in your password in the password field. Click the Login button to access your dashboard. While on the dashboard, navigate to the Settings and click on Settings and fill out the form with the company's information. Enter your company's name, the industry, and your company's email. Bank account details. Your bank name, account number, upload logo. Click the Update Company Settings to save your company's information. Head back to your dashboard by clicking on the dashboard and verify that the company's name is directly displayed. This confirms that the changes made are successful. Uploaded by the instructors. Now you can see courses, view learners, and do other things. Creating account as an instructor. Click on the Register button. Enter your username, email. On the role field, select Instructor. Create a strong password. Confirm your password. Click Register to complete sign-up. Now, proceed to log in with the details created. Enter username and password. Click the Login button to access your password. On your dashboard, navigate to Settings. Click on Settings and fill out the profile settings. Enter your full name. Select the company with which you are working. Click on the Save Changes button. Navigate to Courses, click on My Courses, and on the Add Course button. Fill the form for the title, description, course type, and other sections. Then upload the course by clicking on the Upload button. When an admin login, you can view your instructors from your dashboard.